Hello, everybody. Hope you enjoyed your lunch. So what I want to talk about today is how low-power FPGAs are enabling AI at the edge. So I tried to strike a balance on my presentation between getting too technical or just talking about marketing stuff. So if you have additional questions after the talk, come to our booth 205. You can't miss it. It's right up front as you walk into the building. And I have some of the technical guys to get into the details there. So let's get going. So first, I want to start by talking about how we define the edge. So depending on who you talk to, the edge are different things. So for us, the edge is everything on the left-hand side of that slide. So wearables, drones, I call them IoT devices. So anything on the left-hand side there is something that we want to focus on. And Lattice believe we have the right solution to enable AI on this type of devices. And so what kind of applications are part of the applications are that defined by that edge? The applications are something like human control or human presence detection in a house. So our sensors can stand alone in a house and detect if somebody's falling. It can be used for building control in a house, gesture detection for human to machine interface, voice detection for similar applications. On the bottom left corner for industrial applications. So one of the demos we're showing here is defect tracking or defect ability to check defects in a factory environment. On the right top corner is security cameras and doorbells. These are items that we have solutions that fits into these items. So retail stores somewhere also work very well for inventory tracking and for detecting who's standing in queue, for example.